Hello and welcome to the 14th IRM conference on rock magnetism. I'm Josh Feinberg. If we haven't met before, I'm the director of the IRM. I am really glad that all of you are here with us. What I'm showing you on the screen right now is an aeromagnetic anomaly map of Minnesota and the lesser state of Wisconsin. And this great big magenta thing right here is the 1.1 billion year old mid-continent rift, which all of us are sitting on. So that is exactly where you are located right now. I'm really glad to see everybody here. There's a lot of familiar faces in the audience that I'm looking forward to catching up with. And for those of you who I don't quite know yet, I'm really looking forward to getting to know all of you as well and welcome you into the community. So these meetings that you're all a part of now have been going on since the early 1990s and are known to many of us as the Santa Fe meetings. And my sense is that these meetings are going to get a lot harder to organize over the next 4 years or so. But these meetings are really important for a lot of reasons. They're really essential for focusing our efforts on some of the most challenging problems within our community right now. They provide a venue for early career scientists, graduate students, postdocs, early career faculty to actually raise their visibility amongst our community in general. And they offer opportunities for people to start new collaborations that will help advance all of our science as we move forward. Plus, these Santa Fe meetings are meant to be a place where we can really talk about our science in detail. We are not doing 8-minute AGU-style talks. We actually are purposely building in extra time so we can talk about what everybody is presenting. And I'm hoping that everybody is able to sort of screw up their courage enough to really jump in and ask questions so we can have a really lively discussion as the meeting goes on. So thank you very much for being a part of this meeting, especially if those of you who have traveled some really far distances to get here as well. So we're in a pretty small scientific community, and our strength is in how we actually interact with one another and how we support each other. We are definitely in strange and unsteady times right now within our country here in the US, but also globally abroad too. I think there's an important place for research centers like the IRM in all of this. We offer people, everybody in the community, a chance to come here to use state-of-the-art equipment, to make use of the expertise that is the IRM, and to be able to talk and develop a sense of community about their science. So this is your lab that all of you are here using for this meeting. All of us working here at the IRM want to do our best to welcome as many people here to use the facility as possible. So over the next few days, if any of you have questions or suggestions for how all of us here at the IRM can better serve our community, please talk to me, talk to anybody here who you feel comfortable talking to, whether it's Max, me, Nick, Dario, Pete. We all want to get your feedback for sure. We've got a really great lineup for you this year. We have 4 oral sessions, all listed here, that are planned as part of the meeting, as well as a poster session that's going to be happening tomorrow afternoon. And before I go ahead and start to introduce our first keynote speaker for the night, there's a series of sort of thanks and a couple of business announcements that I need to take care of as we go forward too. So one of the first people that we all need to thank is Max Brown. So Max is the fellow that organized all of the logistics for this meeting, as well as the website for the meeting. So everything that's working well for the meeting is all because of Max. And anything that isn't working well is probably something I should have done. So we should all thank Max right now. We need to thank both Pete and Dario as well for the work that they've done just trying to get the lab ready for everybody to be streaming through the lab at various times. When you come and visit the lab, you'll see that we have countless very large crates in the hallway right now because we have all kinds of new instrumentation that have just arrived. It's very exciting. We have a new liquid helium reliquefier, as well as Nick's magic system that is getting ready to be installed. So we're all very excited about that stuff. And then Nick himself, we need to thank as well. He's put in a tremendous amount of effort into the Rock Magpie workshop and magic workshop that's going to be happening on Thursday. Some of you have probably received an email from him this afternoon. If you haven't had a chance to read that yet, check it out because there's some good instructions in there about what to do. So thank you, Nick, for organizing that workshop. I definitely encourage everybody to attend. The magic database is getting to a point where we can do some really exciting science with it. And I think you'll all enjoy it. And then finally, I need to thank our sponsors. So Agico and Applied Physics Systems have supported the meeting, which is making everything a little bit easier for all of us here. So I'm very, very grateful to them.